Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Suburban. Stock number is A8029. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating. You have dual rear-facing entertainment centers, and your second row seats are heated seats. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end, you have rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls. Cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Suburban on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.